back, everyone. So in this video, we're mostly doing flick entry practices. I've always wanted to do the flick, but aggressive style entry. So at this event, all I did was focus on that. Every single entry, I just did like the swing to the left and then clutch kick, swing to the right, and flick it back over, or vice versa. So first I started off on course 1, and that was a third gear entry. So I'd flick it in third gear, and then e-brake, and then downshift in the second. So this is how that course went. So that's how it went. What do you guys think? Next, Meihan course. This is a 1-to-1 replica of the Meihan course in Japan. And this one, you see it all over online. People do the flick entry dragging along that cement wall. So I try to do a little bit of that. I was still a little hesitant. That's why I didn't full send it, because I'm not too used to this car yet. But towards the end, I was getting more and more comfortable and then doing more aggressive flicks. Do it. Thank you.
Drive's nice.
You like that entry?
Yeah, that was
that
sweet.
Flick?
Yeah,
that's what
sure.
That's what I was working on both times. I was like, I want to get that flick in.
That was sweet. Yeah, probably one of the better drivers I've drove on this course with for sure so far.
Yeah,
that was sweet.
So that was a flick video. It's my first attempt doing flicks in the FD. As the end of the day went on, I was certainly getting more and more comfortable. Next time, I'll just keep doing it and hopefully be able to do way more aggressive entries. That's the goal, and then that'll look way cooler from the outside as well. So, and of course, please like and subscribe. Let's get those numbers up. We're trying to get this channel a little bigger and do more events and get you guys more ride-alongs and everything like that. So thanks for watching. Keep you guys updated next time. And stay tuned. This car is going through a big transformation. It's going to be changed to a full new color, so watch out for that in the next episode.